Hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri, and I have a very creaky floor. Sorry, it's very creaky, but I also have some incredibly exciting news to share with you guys, and I have an opportunity to be on television. I cannot say anything more than that. It is all very, very top secret and all very, very hush hush, and I had to sign a bunch of documents and all this wonderful stuff, but it's very exciting, and hopefully it's actually going to happen. But I have to pick something to wear, right? For sure. So I actually had to put together a selection of outfits and submit them. And I'm curious though to see what you guys think of the outfits and what you think I should wear and what you think maybe will be chosen. So here's what I sent, and let me know down below what you think, what I should wear, which one looks the best, and yeah, fingers crossed it all works out, and yeah, here's the outfits.
Starting off with a classic hot pink suit, black top, and matching boots, plus my version of the Ugly Betty initial necklace. All of the DIYs I mentioned will be linked down below for you guys. Next is my groovy refashioned 80s suit, plus this cool 1940s necktie. And of course, I had to include my gorgeous upcycled tablecloth boho dress. It is so pretty. Next up, we have this rather cool 1970s, early 80s secretary's dress, and I chucked on a tie neck and a black belt. Next up, this absolutely swing-tastic floral 70s dress. I absolutely love shirt dresses. And of course, here is that red dress that I actually wore in my lipstick tutorial video, so I'll link that down below for you as well. And last but certainly not least are my super comfy waistband fixed trousers and my awesome 80s blazer refashion.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.